Okay.
Hey, what's up, guys? Crimson 101 here, and I got my friend
Jersey Jones Productions.
And right now, we're gonna get a capture card. And he needs a
SD card, new one. My other one's split in half.
This is not a vlog channel. It's still a gaming channel, but I'm just telling you what I'm doing for now. Until I get the capture card is when I'll be able to upload gameplay. Alright? Alright, guys. We are here at Target. We're here at Target. We're about to go look for this capture card in SD. Huh?
Nothing.
As you can see, Target.
Say which one I can get yet.
Alright, guys, so the capture card was not at Target, so I couldn't get it. So we're gonna go to Walmart and see if we can get a capture card there. And then this video should be up by tomorrow. And then I'm pretty sure I might upload the gameplay video on... What day is it today? Alright. Gameplay will be going up Saturday, so I should have a Black Ops 3 Zombies gameplay going up Saturday. This vlog will be going up tomorrow. And yeah. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. I finally got a game capture. I'm excited.
Elgato.
The Elgato. As you can see, some good quality shit. 1080. This is the back. Oh man. Alright, so let's dig into this. Let's see what it holds. Oh boy. Woo. Oh man. Look at that, guys. That is beautiful. I just want to take it out. Oh my gosh. Guys. This is just perfect. Oh man. Alright, let's see what else comes in the box. Alright. HDMI and other cables for the computer and HDMI, and that's it. Just set up. How you set up the... yeah. Man. So this vlog will be going up tomorrow, as I told you guys before, and Saturday you guys should have your first gameplay. Let's do this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment. I'm out.